Hi guys, so today we made some Oobleck here, and you're probably like, what's Oobleck? And I'll tell you. So here's my Oobleck. It looks like it's covered in my hand. It looks like it's just a liquid, but let me grab some. You're like, oh, how's he gonna do that? But liquid? Look. Okay, liquid is coming out, but oh my gosh, it's a solid. And then it's a liquid? How does that make any sense? Because if you want to make this your own, you use potato starch and water. 1 part potato starch and 1 part water.
What color do you want?
I want blue.
Blue.
Okay, so add all the blue. So
Move your hands.
My mom is gonna add all the blue food color, and you can clear your thing. If I think there's something in there. Still, what we're gonna do is we're gonna
Which color do you want? No.
red.
Red. Red.
Red is my new second favorite color. Black is my first favorite color. What is your favorite color? Comments down below. 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to mix it.
For Halloween. Whoa.
Look guys, it's liquid. Ugh! I punched it. And now, smush it up. Do the little dancing. It's not like all of that cool stuff. It doesn't stay. A little bit. Look, I squatter my Oobleck. And it becomes. Okay, I think this is just pink. No, we accidentally got pink.
What?
We got pink.
Oh, we got pink because we didn't put enough red in there.
Put some more red.
That was nutty.
I know. Guys, just for your reminder, do not eat Oobleck. You can't, because I know it's made out of food.
Do you want to maybe add some yellow to make orange?
No. Honestly. Look. I'm squishing it in our pink bowl of Oobleck. And a red bowl of Oobleck. I can scoop a bunch and make it go back. Oh no! Oh no! Look, I'm making it go back. I think my hands are stuck. What are those bubbles? Come on, I just gonna have to be bubbles. Just kidding, they're my hands.
That's because air is getting inside of them when you bring it up and down.
No, I was doing this and making, and it looks like air bubbles. I got some oobleck on the floor.
What did you say?
I got some oobleck on the floor by accident.
It's okay. It's not a little stick.
I thought oobleck can stick because it's sticking all over my hands.
If we had more water, it would dissolve. If you put more water in that, it'll just dissolve.
Can I add some red? I guess I'd some more yellow.
You want yellow?
Yeah. And red. Put in this. And that's red. Squish it all together. It's becoming orange. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Becomes orange, becomes some orange. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh my gosh, look at my hands. It looks like I've yolk on my hands. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, oh cat, oh yeah, bad. Oh yeah, let's do that Oobleck dance. Guys, if you want to follow along with the Oobleck dance, just do it. We have some Oobleck. Become solid, guys. And then become a liquid. Solid, guys. Liquid. Solid. Liquid. Solid. Okay, is that getting too easy for you? Let's try medium. Okay, guys. I'm gonna grab some. Liquid. Solid. 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 And come apart. Come apart is basically you stretch your feet and your other body as far as you can until it hurts. So that's what it means. Just do that. If you can't do it, then you can, and you only know how to do a split, then you can do a split. Ta-da! I'm not gonna do it hard, so. Okay, guys, so. Did you guys say you want me to turn it even more with some more red and yellow? Okay, can you add some more red and yellow?
Sure.
Okay, we're gonna add some more red and yellow. Add 4 drops of each. Okay. 1, 2, 3. That's my bicep. Oh, that is so red. That's Oobleck.
I oobleckated it.
Look, guys, I can make a hole.
Kind of smells like French fries. Does that smell like French fries?
No, it smells like cornstarch.
Can't smell like cornstarch. It's potato starch.
You can use any starch, you guys. They mostly say to use cornstarch because it would be better, but you can use any starch like potato starch. If there's even tomato starch, any type of starch. One part just make sure it's one part of one type of starch and one part of water. So then you get this masterpiece. Wah, ah, ah, ah. Who wants some? Who wants to be transferred to be Oobleck? Wah, ha, 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 ha. Wah, ha, ha. Who wants to become my minion? Wah, ha, ha, ha. You guys want to be my minion? I think not. Just subscribe to this awesome video, or else you become my minion. Wah, ha, ha, ha. And I'll Oobleck all of you if you don't subscribe. Because I have Oobleck, and you can't Oobleck me now. Because guess what this color is? Write it down below in the comment section. Make sure to write it down there. Yep. I don't mean go inside of my Oobleck. I mean just write it in the comments down below. I'm watching you. I'm watching you guys, okay? If you don't comment down below, then I'm gonna make a Oobleck ball and smack you. Wah ha ha. Wah! Oh, oops. It'll go like this. Woo! Liquid and splat on your head. You will want your mom. I mean, don't just go hit the subscribe button. Two. Let's see what. Let's add some more. Okay. And guys, if you're ready to my videos, then why not join the team? If you subscribe, you'll be part of my awesome team. Let's get started. Red and some yellow. And guys, comment down below if you want to see some more Oobleck videos. This is my first ever Oobleck video. So please subscribe if you love rocks and water. I bet you guys will like rocks because they're strong. So is Oobleck, and you can trick your friends. You can just keep it white and be like, "Hey guys, I got a handful of milk. Want to see?" And you can just go like this. No, it's just liquid. And you can be like, "Okay, here," and then you can drop it into a bowl. Or you can just be like, "Don't eat this because it's," and you can just squish it and a bunch will come out. And that's still okay because it will still be a solid, see? And you can like, "Hey, I made your milk into solid." You can squish it. Look guys. So what's this color, guys? I'm gonna have some volunteers coming to my house. We're gonna have some volunteers. Comment down below if you want to volunteer to come to my house and make videos. If you live in Massachusetts, then yeah, we're gonna be. If you want to be a volunteer in Massachusetts, I'm only letting subscribers and people who like the video. If you dislike the video and subscribe, then I'm not letting you. I'm gonna see how many people like this video. And if you don't like this video, Oobleck will be on a quest to defeat you. Wahahaha. Ah! Okay guys, see ya.